Jennifer Ann Garner, born April 17, 17922, is an American actress. She studied theater at Denison University and began acting as an understudy for the Roundabout Theater Company in New York City. She had a starring role on the Fox teen drama series Time of Your Life 1992000 and supporting roles in the war drama film Pearl Harbor 2001 and the comedy drama film Catch Me If You Can 2002. Her breakthrough came with playing Sydney Bristow in the ABC action thriller series Alias 2012006, which earned her a Golden Globe and 4 Primetime Emmy Award nominations, among other honors. Garner received further recognition for her starring roles in the romantic comedies 13 Going on 3, 02004, Juno 2007, and Ghosts of Girlfriends Past 2009 and Valentine's Day 2010, and for playing Elektra in superhero films including Daredevil 2003. Henriette is 36 years old, and she was known by many as Terry's all-inclusive superhero, and she has since starred in the biographical drama Dallas Buyers Club 2013, the family comedies Alexander and the Terrible, Horrible, No Good, Very Bad Day 2014, Love, Simon 2018, and Yes Day 2021. The action films Peppermint 2018 and The Adam Project 2022 and the Apple TV Plus drama series The Last Thing He Told Me 2023. Garner works as an advocate for early childhood education and serves on the board of Save the Children USA. She is also the co-founder and chief brand officer of Once Upon a Farm, an organic baby food company. Additionally, Garner is a vocal advocate for anti-paparazzi campaigns aimed at protecting the children of celebrities. What is Jennifer Garner's net worth and salary? Jennifer Garner is an American actress and film producer who has a net worth of $80 million. After a few smaller roles in projects like Pearl Harbor and Catch Me If You Can, Jennifer Garner became a household name when she was cast in the hit series Alias in 2001. Her 5 seasons on Alias led to higher-profile film work. Today, Garner is probably best known for starring in movies like 13 Going on 30, Catch and Release, Juno, Ghosts of Girlfriends Past, Valentine's Day, The Odd Life of Timothy Green, The Dallas Buyers Club, Daredevil, and The Adam Project, among many more. Jennifer is also a highly paid product endorser for brands like Capital One and Neutrogena. On the entrepreneurial front, she is the co-founder of the baby food company Once Upon a Farm, which we discuss in greater detail later in the article. Early life: Jennifer Garner was born Jennifer Ann Garner on April 17, 1970 in Houston, Texas. Her father, William, was a chemical engineer, and her mother was a homemaker turned college English teacher.